Okay, we got a muriatic acid bath going on with some galvanized steel roofing screws, and this is going to be used for galvanized steel sheet metal soldering. This is the flux that you can use. I'm having a hell of a time. I tried to use plumber's flux and it was just not working. So I'm gonna try this as a little experiment here, see how it works. This stuff is highly dangerous. It's corrosive, creates vapors. So if you do decide to do this, you want to use 1 part water, 1 part muriatic acid, and I filled mine up about halfway. I don't know the ratio of screws. I'm thinking this will work. And then you just leave it until it stops bubbling. And you see we're still getting bubbles in here, so we'll see how long that takes. And when you do get ready to solder, you're definitely going to want one of these. This is an organic vapor mask. Well, these are the cartridges, but they go into a 3M mask. And you're really going to want some nitrile gloves. So, yeah. There it is. Hoping this works.